is Olga, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the third question from Digital SAT, Test 3, Module 2B. This is the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 1 reads, which choice completes the text in the most logical and precise word or phrase? When that's the question, you want to predict your answer somehow. What comes after a comma, colon, semicolon, a dash, tell you goes in blank, sometimes synonym or an antonym to the blank writing in a sentence. You can think of your own word that fits. You can also put each answer choice in place of the blank and see which fits best. And let's go to the paragraph. Paragraph reads, interruptions in the supply chain for microchips used in personal electronics have challenged an economist's assertion that retailers can expect robust growth in sales of those devices in the coming months. The delays are unlikely to blank her projection entirely, but will almost certainly extend its time frame. So, looks like we've got to make a prediction here. I don't see any synonym or an antonym to the blank writing in the sentence. I don't see any punctuation, anything that comes after any punctuation that's going to help us out. So I'm going to say they're unlikely to make her a liar, a complete liar. The delays are unlikely to completely prove false what her projection is. The point here is just get a general idea what the blank means. Now we're going to go to the answer choices. The delays are likely to dispute. That doesn't really match my argue against her projection. Not a great fit. Or unlikely to withdraw her projection. A delay can't withdraw her projection. She could withdraw her projection if it's too delayed or something like that, maybe. Underscore means emphasize, not to be confused with undermine, which means weaken. That's not going to be correct either. So hopefully, answer choice D, the delays are unlikely to invalidate her projection, which matches well with what I said, which was make her a complete liar or make the projection completely wrong. So it's unlikely to invalidate, make it not valid, not true, her projection entirely, but will almost certainly extend its time frame. Answer choice D is definitely the best answer here. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video. If you go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist. You'll find the test number and module numbers on the playlist, and then the short videos are just below these longer videos. Click subscribe and check out this other sentence completion video. Have a great day.